A 10-year-old girl is caught in a shocking plan.
Yeah, she's been telling the little girl to drop the baby, drown the baby. Her and talked about slitting our throats in the middle of the night.
So how do you sleep at night now?
With one eye open.
But investigators soon learned the girl allegedly did this at the direction of someone she met online.
Well, you're being charged with principal and first degree to attempted homicide, okay? That's what your warrant's for. So...
Attempted homicide?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God.
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. Online gaming platforms are a popular place to make friends from people all over the world. But in this case, one of those platforms became a messenger for a deadly plot, leaving a baby with serious injuries. It's September 26, 2024. We're in Escambia County, Florida. On that day, according to a report from the Escambia County Sheriff's Office, DCF received a tip about a 2-month-old boy who was hospitalized with a fractured skull. Officials learned this came after a 10-year-old girl dropped him on the ground. The following month, through a forensic interview, the 10-year-old revealed she befriended 36-year-old Tara Sykes on the gaming platform Roblox. But the two weren't just playing video games. According to the girl, Tara Sykes allegedly instructed her on different methods to kill the baby, including drowning him in the bathtub, burning him, and even dropping him on the tile floor. According to deputies, the girl also said in the interview that Tara instructed her on how to kill her temporary guardians, specifically by cutting their throats with a knife while they slept and burning the house down by setting bed sheets with aerosol spray on fire. The girl reportedly confessed in the interview that she did douse bed sheets in aerosol spray, but she was unable to carry out the instructions. One of those guardians told investigators she confronted the 10-year-old about her communication with Tara Sykes.
And when we told these are the messages we saw, that's when now, that is why she's telling the truth. And she also understands now that she's trying to make her do murder. I said, baby, that doesn't just go away. There's a consequence for it, I'm sure. But if they were to find out that you did this and you're lying, it's going to make everything worse. It's going to make everything worse for you. Nobody can get better without the truth. That's why she's here telling the truth. Is because I told her you can't run around doing all these things, because eventually you're going to hit an age where you don't just get a slap on your hand. Mm-hmm. I said, I've worked in the jail, I've worked in the juvenile home, I've worked with the women, I've worked with the psychos. I said, it's not a fun place. It is not a fun place. She's been telling the little girl to drop the baby, drown the baby. Her and talked about slitting our throats in the middle of the night. We found sheets that didn't belong to us in her pile of sheets she was collecting, because when I confronted her about burning the house down, she's like, well, I'm not going to do it now because you caught me. So, okay. Do you even feel sorry for anything you done? That everything I did was fine. I'm like, no, it's not fine. Literally has it stuck in her head. This is slitting someone's throat when they're sleeping is fine. Burning a house down is fine. Trying to kill the baby is fine.
Because she's too young to hold.
According Yeah.
To hold blame for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told her, if you get caught, what you do is you just turn around and start shaking and they'll just think you're crazy. When I explained to her that she almost killed the baby by dropping him on his head because on our kitchen floor it's tile. And I told her, like, you could have killed him, you could have hurt him, you could have caused problems that he never would have been normal. I think then it clicked in her head, oh crap. After that, asked her to do his bath, help with his bath, and have Lori go get something and push him underwater. She never did it. She's like, I never did it though. I never did. I was like, I know you didn't. Obviously he's still here, so you didn't. Asked her to make the hot, because our hot water gets like super hot. And she's like, well, get the bath as hot as possible and stick the baby in there. And everything was always blame or blame. So I think that's why she did everything she did do, was because she was scared.
According to the sheriff's office, the 10-year-old said she was terrified of Tara and felt if she didn't follow through with her instructions, she would harm or kill her as well. Later that same day, around 5:30 p.m., deputies confront Tara at her home.
Excuse me, sheriff's office.
Jesus, sorry, you scared me. Honey, the cops are here.
Tara?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I know.
Can you come out here and speak to us?
Yeah? They're arresting me.
Hi.
Did I do something? Okay, I haven't been home all day. My dogs are outside.
Okay, we'll take care of you, okay? We're not.
I'm sorry, you scared the crap out of me.
It happens sometimes.
I literally just got home. I was out fishing.
Catch anything?
A little baby fish.
Yeah.
Freshwater fishing?
Yes, sir, downtown.
Oh, man, that's nice.
Did I miss something?
We'll explain everything too. We just got a couple procedural things we got to do, get you secure and all that, and then
I do have an attorney. Can you call them? Do I need them present?
No.
we can't make that decision for you.
We'll talk just a second. Just give us just a second, sweetie.
Okay.
What kind of dogs you got?
Goldadors. They're service dogs.
Goldadors?
Yeah, Golden Labrador Retriever.
Right outside here. You got a bench or something we can sit on?
Yes, sir.
What do we need to do to, are they okay in the backyard?
No, they need to be brought in. And my husband's at work. He's on his way home. And no, sir, they don't. They're serviced.
So are they going to get out if they're staying in the backyard? What I don't want to happen is to be in your house and then go to the bathroom in your house. I don't know how long your husband's going to be or anything like that.
You scared me. I'm sorry.
You're fine. Will they be okay if they're left outside?
I'd prefer they not be left outside.
Okay.
Wow, so many of y'all. It's kind of intimidating.
Oh, no. Nothing to be intimidated about.
I don't have anything
We're
on
nice.
me.
We're going to treat you like you're one of us.
We're all human beings.
I'm just trying to figure out what the best plan is for your
Is this door
dogs.
open, Tara?
No, sir, you have to go through my home, into my back, and, I don't have anything. Am I going to jail?
We'll talk to you just a second. Let's just one thing at a time.
Like I said, we didn't just do a couple procedural things. Is your
to call my attorney?
is your backyard secure? Like they can't get out of it?
No, sir, they can't get out of it.
Okay.
Really face me. Okay.
And they're not like chained up, right? They got free range of your backyard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's a golden door?
Yes, sir. It's a golden retriever Labrador. There's two of them.
There's 3 dogs back there.
Yep, they have
Okay.
a pit bull.
I got you.
Okay, that's not
I was like, that's not it. Okay.
Tara appears to be confused and in disbelief as to why she's being put in handcuffs, but she was quick to lawyer up.
Can I call my attorney real quick before I speak with you guys?
Are you wanting to talk to your attorney before? I'm Investigator Lloyd, so I was going to explain everything to you once we get you to the Tahoe. So do you want to talk to your attorney before you answer any questions?
Yes, please.
Okay. Well, you're being charged with principal and first degree to attempted homicide. Okay? That's what your warrant's for. So,
Attempted homicide?
yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. Yes, can I please talk with my attorney?
Hey, what do we need to do for your garage door?
If you go in by my, I'm sorry, 1,000,000 miles a minute. If you're fine.
I just want to make sure it's closed. I want somebody goes in your garage.
If you go in by the door near my house, my kitchen door, there's 2 buttons on the wall. It's a brown box. You just close those.
I don't want to close my deputy in there. Is that going?
You can walk through my house and
Then you want us to lock your front door up?
yes, please. Can I just tell you the code?
a key?
It's an automatic code.
Okay.
I am so confused. Wow, so many of y'all? What'd I do?
He just told you what you did.
No, but that's where I'm confused, sir. I've been home.
I
And then
got
I
you.
went fishing with my friend.
I understand that. You'll get the copy of the report at the jail.
I'm going to jail?
Yes.
Okay, I really need to talk to my attorney.
You'll talk to him once you get to the jail and get a phone call.
Do I have bond?
I don't know. I haven't looked at the warrant. He got the warrant. He got the paperwork. For real, I got one detained.
Oh my gosh. I am so confused and I'm scared.
You got one detained.
I didn't touch it. I didn't do anything.
Jesus Christ.
Are you going to be picking up my husband? Did y'all double lock me?
Yeah, he did.
Oh my God. What'd I do?
Hey, Lord, is it already on the server?
Yeah, it's already active.
All right, I'm going to go and take her
I appreciate it. Well, let me fill this out real quick.
and give it to her. Okay. Yeah.
My husband and notify you have me so he doesn't go getting worried.
Well, you better make a phone call in the jail. Nah, he said he got to give her a property receipt for a phone and stuff.
Is there any way you guys can charge my phone so I can get the numbers out of it?
The jail will let you do that.
I don't know what I'm going to jail for.
Tara is charged with first-degree attempted murder while engaged in aggravated child abuse. She maintains her innocence while she's loaded up in the squad car and appears to try and get in contact with her husband, who reportedly is very familiar with deputies too. Online records show Tara and her husband James were arrested in May of 2024 and were charged with child neglect and child abuse after they let a 20-year-old man who impregnated James's 14-year-old daughter live in their home for over 5 months throughout the pregnancy. According to deputies, James's pregnant daughter also showed signs of possible malnourishment. As of now, those cases are reportedly still active. But let's turn back to Tara's current situation, now that she's sitting in a squad car heading to the Escambia County Jail.
He said this was a what? A felony?
Yeah, you'll get the copy of the report. I'm about to go pick it up in a second.
Well, see, what report? I'm confused. Y'all just put me in handcuffs and put me in a car.
Car 279.
The complainant advised just off of Charity Tower.
10-4, but I think we got the address from his name. The 5800.
Yeah, it's not going to be everywhere.
You know the name of use the restroom?
Yeah, at the jail. Once you get booked.
10-4 a.m. That's not going to be the 5800. I guess is in there. I'm not sure. My 37 got the address.
How is this going to affect my bond?
Your bond is already set by the judge until you go to first appearance.
But I'm currently out on bond, sir.
Well, that's something that you're gonna have to do. I don't know. I've never been arrested and out on bond, so you're gonna have to deal with that at first appearance.
Oh my God. I have no idea what's going on.
Car 371.
So I'm going to have to stay in jail overnight?
Whatever your report say.
Michigan and Nashville.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What'd you say?
Whatever the judge say, if you get a bond or not.
Simple. had
410-137.
10-4. 371 initiated driver. 10-4.
Since it's Friday, will I have to wait till Monday to see a judge?
That I don't know. It's up to the system. This how it works. Law enforcement writes reports. It gets approved and sent to the judge. After the judge signs off on it, law enforcement don't have no other hands on it but to arrest you and take you to jail. Whatever the judge and they schedule and all that, that's what the courts and what they decide. As soon as we write our reports and we send it to the judge sign off on a warrant. The judge said everything. It should be on the report where you have your court date and your first appearance. You're gonna have first appearance regardless. I just don't know when. It's up to the jail. It's up to the courts, and it's whatever the jail, whatever they schedule says. We don't have no hands with first appearance or what court dates be assigned on warrants.
Is there a warrant for my husband for anything?
I don't know.
I'm just as confused as whatever, because I saw the name. I haven't spoken with her.
What, talking about on the report right here?
Yeah. I have not violated that at all.
Well, you'll get the copy of the full report to find out why you in this situation.
What you're arresting me for? Am I going away for a long time?
Man, I just picked you up on a warrant. I didn't do the report. So we got called and said you had a warrant for your arrest, and we showed up and brought you in.
As Tara continues to express confusion over her arrest, the officer reads her charges aloud, and Tara appears to be in disbelief.
I get I had a warrant, but I really feel like my attorney should have said, hey, you have a warrant, you need to come in, we need to talk about it, you need to go turn yourself in or something. Because I have no idea what I'm being arrested for. I haven't even been around.
Well, on here it says, intentionally committed 1-count offense, principle of first degree to attempted murder while engaged in aggravated child abuse.
What?
While instructing to purposely drop on the floor and attempted to end his life.
Oh my God! I had nothing to do with that!
So that's what it says.
Oh my God! Are you
Route
kidding me?
3905 West Mallory
I've
Street.
never even met the baby!
I understand that, but you just something that you're gonna have to
Oh my God!
something that you're gonna have to get a hold of right there.
Oh my God! They told my attorney that was an accident. I've never even met that baby.
41026.
He charged or something. I've never even met him.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh my God! No, you don't. No, you don't, sir. I've never even met that baby. And all my visits are supervised at Lakeview.
I understand.
Isn't this on video? How do I fight that?
You got first appearance in court.
Oh my God.
Hold on a second.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is a setup. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This cannot be happening to me. You don't understand. All my visits are supervised.
I understand that. And
No.
like I said, the deputy that's investigating this case, he sees your iPhone and your Apple Watch.
Okay. Seize it.
Okay.
Yeah. No, that's fine.
That's what you get something showing us what this property receipt for.
There's nothing on it.
I got you.
Oh my God.
A spokesperson for Roblox provided a statement to Wear News 3, confirming the two accounts did communicate on their platform, but those conversations were, quote, in policy and did not contain the alleged instructions for violence that resulted in the arrest of Sykes. Prosecutors agreed to drop Tara's charges of first-degree premeditated homicide, solicitation, and child cruelty after she pleaded no contest to a child neglect charge. She was sentenced to 11 months and 30 days in prison, but the judge granted her over 400 days of time served, avoiding any time behind bars. Tara Sykes still remains in the Escambia County Jail on her child neglect case involving her husband James's teenage daughter. Both of them are due back in court in April. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with another case.